Olga Van Light, and welcome you here to an unboxing of MAXI Clean Pre-Moistened Lens and Screen Cleaning Whites. And yes guys, so it actually comes with an improved formula that's not going to scratch your glasses, leave any kind of residue, and also it doesn't have a strong alcohol smell. And you can actually use it for your glasses as well as also for your cameras, for your computers, for a variety of great things. So definitely look into it. And I was looking for something to actually clean my laptop screen, because I remember on my old one I used to just wipe it with paper towels, sometimes with alcohol, but again it just felt too much DIY for me. And I feel like with these wipes it's going to be much softer. And yes guys, it's great to have better cleaning and visibility. And yes, once you open them, look, there is 440 in a pack. How cool is that? And it is actually two come in one palette, and I believe one would be enough to clean my glasses. So let's actually put it to the test. And yes, super excited. Yes guys, it has like a lemongrass kind of smell, and it's actually quite pleasant. I almost feel like it's a towelette to wipe my face, but it is not. It's to wipe my glasses. So yes, let's do that. And yes guys, let's see. So far I do see them wet residue, but I do have to give it a second to dry. And wow, I don't know if you guys can see, but my glasses are crystal clear right now. How cool is that? Absolutely crystal clear. Super excited about these. And yes guys, what else? I mean, again, you can use it for a camera. You can also use it for binoculars, microscope, web cameras, and many more. How cool is that? You can also keep it in your car, work, or school, because again, it comes in a very convenient palettes like that. Absolutely love it. And I hope that all of you guys, including myself, will definitely appreciate clean glasses, right? So that's definitely makes a great difference for everyone's convenience. How cool is that? And yeah, so definitely go get yours.